Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a popsicle stick catapult. So save all your popsicle sticks this summer. So to start, we will need some popsicle sticks, a plastic spoon, some rubber bands, and some markers or paint. So that way you can decorate it. Don't forget those pom-poms. Let's begin. So first, we will need 5 popsicle sticks. We're going to stack these popsicle sticks one on top of each other. Then we will secure it with 2 rubber bands. So we're going to tie each one on one end and then on the other end. So now we're going to take 2 popsicle sticks and we're going to stack them on each other, and we're going to use 1 rubber band to tie off one end, and we're going to secure it like so. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to pull the 2 popsicle sticks apart and take the larger stack and put it in between, just like so. And take our plastic spoon, set it on the top of the popsicle stick, and we're going to knead it to tie it with a rubber band. Okay, so we're going to need 2 more rubber bands to secure the bottom of the spoon to the popsicle sticks, just like so. Okay, let's give ours a test now. So we're testing our catapult, and there you go. You can use pom-poms, cotton balls, or even rolled up paper balls if you don't have pom-pom balls. And then we're gonna decorate it. And you can decorate it however you like. And there we go. And there we have it. We finished making our popsicle stick catapult. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this fun toy. Stay tuned for more crafts with Miss Kailani. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.